Hi guys! Today I'll be doing another unboxing of the Walmart beauty box. Now this beauty box is super duper late. I got an email end of November saying that this was going to be shipped out, and I just received it about 4 days ago, and it's the fall beauty box. So yeah, it's super late, but I'm gonna go ahead and film this and open it for you guys because I love opening these boxes. I really enjoy these boxes. I kind of wish they were monthly. These are sent out seasonal, so it's 4 times a year. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay. So it says focus your beauty. Okay, this is really pretty. Kind of a purpley with peach color to it. I really like the paper on this one. It's really nice. And let's look what's in here. Okay, the first thing this is a good hairspray. The Tresemme Extra Firm Control Hold Hairspray. This is the one that I keep in my purse. I really like this hairspray. It's good. My favorite hairspray is the Tresemme. Oh, it's in a blue bottle, but that's my favorite. It's a flexible hold, but this is the one that I used prior to that, but I do keep this one in my bag because they don't keep the blue one. They don't make the blue one in the small size, but this is a really good one. Okay, the next thing they have in here is Go Fresh Nutrium Moisture what is this? A body wash. Rejuvenate body wash. This is good for travel. Let's see. It has pear and aloe vera scent. Softer, smoother skin after one shower. Let's go ahead and smell this. Ooh. But there's no safety cap on it. It smells like pear. Oh, it smells really good. Okay, the next thing we have is the Jergens Wet Skin Moisturizer. Locks in hydration at skin's peak moisture moment for luminous skin with refreshing coconut oil. Now this is, you apply in the shower before drying off. Apply to, after showering, before drying off, apply to wet skin. Dry and go. Smell this one. Coconut. I love coconut smells. This one too doesn't have a safety seal, but very coconutty, delicious. Next thing we have, Pork Hair Charcoal Sheet Mask, 94% natural. So I guess the other 6% is unnatural. It's an oil-absorbing sheet mask that helps balance excess shine and reduces the appearance of enlarged pores. Charcoal helps draw out dirt, oil, and other impurities, while green tea helps mattify and calm. I need this. It says, the ancient ritual. Trusted by the ancient Egyptians, activated charcoal is known for its ability to absorb toxins. I'm gonna try this one because I need anything to help me with my enlarged pores. My pores are huge. And, where did I get this one? Was this I got this from the, I think I got this from the Target box. The last Target box I had. It's an argan oil repairing deep conditioner. And I had mentioned that usually when you get this kind of sample for conditioner, it's usually about half the size of this, and it's really flat. This one is full. I honestly, I could use this 2 times, so there's enough to do 2 times, I believe. But yeah, I'm gonna do this one. I said I was gonna do the other one, and I forgot. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my shower tonight so that I can try it. And Olay Luminous evens tone and fades dark spots. Tone perfecting cream. Just got this little one timer. Oh, there's not very much in here. That's it. Got a $2 coupon off the Gray Away for root touch-ups. And what else do we have? I'm kind of disappointed, especially since I had to wait a long time. I think I waited almost almost 6.5 weeks to get this box. What do I like the best out of here? Probably this. And I mean, actually they're all good. It's just I thought they could be a little bit better, but anyways, I'll go ahead and put a link down in my description box on how you can get your own Walmart box. And if you don't know anything about the Walmart box, it's $5, and that's just for the shipping fee, and it's seasonal, so it comes out 4 times a year. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, bye!